Hello, everyone, and welcome to Denzi TV. This is a public service channel catering to providing information about travel requirements for Filipinos going to different places within the Philippines and even abroad. Please subscribe to this channel if you want the important updates, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to be able to get all the updates as they come. In this video, we're going to discuss the international travel requirements for Filipinos. Here, we will discuss who are eligible to travel abroad and what requirements should be prepared. The information that is used here in this video are taken from the ones provided by Philippine Airlines, updated this March 2021. Let's go straight ahead to the requirements. So, of course, those who are eligible to travel abroad, first on the list are overseas Filipino workers. And what documents should they prepare? First is the Philippine passport, of course. Required travel and health documents as specified by the destination. So depende po kung saan kayo pupunta. Be sure that you know what specific requirements are being asked of you. Next is the Bureau of Immigration declaration of acknowledging the risks involved in traveling. So there is a declaration form to be filled out, and I will provide the link in the description below. And the last one is the registration to the Philippine Airlines passenger profile and health declaration form as early as 5 days before departure, and the link will also be provided in the description below. Another set of passengers allowed for international travel are students and exchange visitor program participants, and these are the requirements: a passport, a required travel and health documents specified by the destination, Bureau of Immigration declaration. Again, the link will be posted below. And the Philippine Airlines passenger profile and health declaration should be registered as early as 5 days before departure, and the link will also be provided in the description below. Another set of people who are allowed for international travel are citizens, permanent residents, and visa holders of foreign jurisdiction and foreign nationals. So what are the requirements to prepare? A passport, required travel and health documents, a travel pass, which will be explained in detail later, a BOI declaration of acknowledging the risks involved in traveling, and a registration to the PAL passenger profile. So since these people are also the ones with a passport other than the Philippine passport, these are the additional reminders. All foreign nationals whose visas are issued pursuant to Philippine Immigration Act of 1940 and other special laws governing the visa shall be required to secure the travel pass mentioned a while ago from the same agencies when departing Philippines. So visa issuing agencies where a travel pass may be secured. So you can secure the travel pass from these agencies: Department of Justice, Bureau of Immigration, and Investment Promotion agencies such as the BOI, PRA, PEZA, CEZA, SNMA, CDC, AFAB, and APECO. So for sure you are familiar with those agencies, since you might have already, you know, gotten with them, contacted them beforehand in your processing for your documents here in the Philippines. Also, those holding immigration clearance certificates or ECC from BI are exempted. Okay? So exempted po ang those who are holding ECCs from this requirement of having a travel pass. The travel pass shall be presented in printed or electronic form to the immigration counters as part of the documentary requirements upon departure. And a duly issued travel pass shall be for single use only and valid for 30 days only. Failure to present a duly issued travel pass shall not be permitted to depart unless confirmed by the focal persons of the visa issuing agency. So There's quite a lot of requirements here for foreign nationals and visa holders of foreign jurisdiction. So please take note of these requirements before you decide to book a ticket for your international flight. Filipinos on non-essential travel are also allowed to travel abroad. Okay, so what are the requirements? A Philippine passport, required travel and health documents, a confirmed round-trip ticket, travel and health insurance to cover the travel disruptions and hospitalization in case of COVID-19 infections during their allowable period of stay abroad. So, a travel and health insurance is required for Filipinos traveling for leisure. A BOI declaration and a PAL passenger profile and health declaration registration. Okay, so as I said, those links will be provided in the description below, so please check it out. Another set of individuals allowed for international travel are Filipinos on essential travel. So for medical or family emergencies, etc. So if your travel is essential, you belong to this category. You are required to present a passport, supporting documents and medical requirements required by the destination country. So please prepare those documents. A BOI declaration of acknowledging the risks involved in the travel, and the registration to the PAL passenger profile and health declaration form. So those are the requirements for different sets of people eligible for international travel. So if you missed some of those requirements, you are always free to go back, rewind, and pause on specific parts to review them, take note of them, so that you can comply with those requirements before your flight. Another set of reminders include the following. So eligible passengers and the documentary requirements are subject to change at any time. No? So we are living in a volatile uh, situation in terms of travel requirements these days because of things that happen that are out of our control. So depending on the situation or scenario or current events, these requirements will change. So you need to be mindful, okay, of the updates. The information discussed only serve as a guide. So more or less, the requirements are pretty much the same, okay, or there are sets of requirements that remain constant uh, through time. However, there are those that also change. So we need to identify those, no, and prepare for those. So for the latest updates, and if you have inquiries, you may contact the Philippine Bureau of Immigration so that you can get the answers straight from them about the requirements. But so far, for now, these are the requirements that are available and that are being asked of different travelers going abroad. So those are the requirements and those are the eligible sets of people that are allowed for international travel. Please take note of those. And I hope you learned something from this video. So please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be able to get updates like this in your YouTube application. Okay, this has been Densi TV, and I wish you all the best in your next travel, whether domestic or international. I hope you have an enjoyable and, of course, a safe travel. Thank you, guys.